Say when you come to the attic, you want to do business, you come to the right spot. You want clean sound? Come see us. We love you, and guess what? Money gone.
Anyways, 22 Toyota Corolla, sexy car. What we got done on this beast? Converter. Then we took the resonator off, which was gigantic, ginormous. Replaced it with a vibrant 2 1/4 in, 2 1/4 out resonator. A lot nicer, a lot smaller. And then we did a rear muffler delete too, because, you know, why not? And installed a dual tip out the back. Blue flame right there. So there'll be a link for the tip. And there'll be a link for the vibrant down there. There it is. Looks a lot better, a lot nicer. Fits the car, fits the color. It is a Toyota Corolla SE. There's the old tip that was on it. We cut it off. And Alfonso, our scrap guy, took the resonator away, so we can't show it to you guys. But anyways, and the muffler too. So we'll let you guys hear it. You know, who cares about the old stuff? No one cares. Is that better? You like that? Woo! He's happy with that. Give it gas? Let's do it. He likes it. Your sound decibels. Again. Right at 104. Go ahead and back it up. Very nice. It's a good looking car. Toyota did a good job. Let you guys hear on the inside. He's a trip. That's a lot better. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.